All right, today's question of the day comes from Future Sailor Yama, and Future Sailor Yama asked, being in the Navy, going through boot camp, will it help me? Will it put me on the right track to be more motivated, to be more inspired, and to be more proactive? To answer that question, let me share with you my opinion, okay? The answer is no, it's not. Let me give you an example. Let's say I am a big smoker. I'm addicted to smoking. You came up to me and said, Yoon, you're addicted to smoking, you need to quit. If my parents came up to me and said, Yoon, you're addicted to smoking, you need to quit. It doesn't matter what anyone says. If I don't want to quit, I'm not going to quit. Not even the fact that because I'm in the Navy doesn't mean I'm going to quit. I'm going to quit smoking. All right. What I'm trying to say is, nothing external is going to solve an internal problem. Okay. Likewise, if you want to be more motivated, if you want to be more inspired, if you want to be more proactive, you can't be looking at external factors as the solution to the internal problem. And how do we solve this internal problem? I'm not saying it's a problem, but it's an internal thing. It's an internal struggle, let's say. All right. So let me give you three quick tips. Now I could talk about this topic for a very, very long time, hours and hours, but I'll share with you 3 things that you can start doing today. Okay, so number 1, change your habits. Change your habits. Keep doing what you're doing to get what you're getting. If you don't like what you're getting, then change what you're doing. Okay, as Albert Einstein defined insanity, he said, the definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over and expect different results. To put that into perspective, right? Let's say I want 1 million views in one of my videos, right? And I keep making the same type of videos and it's getting 100 views, 200 views, 300 views, 400 views, as you can see on my video histories. And I'm thinking, why is my video not getting 1 million views? Well, it's because I'm keep doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. That's a definition of insanity. That's a formula for disaster. So you have to change your habits. You have to do something different, okay? Number 2, you have to educate yourself. You get out what you put in, okay? So what I'm trying to tell you is you have to learn a lot. You have to look at motivational videos. If you want to be more motivated, look at more motivational videos. Look at motivational people. Read motivational books. If you want to be more inspired, look at inspirational videos. Read inspirational books. Okay, study, learn, educate yourself. Okay. Tip number 3, last thing is you have to be very, very careful with who you surround yourself with. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to be a football player, pro football player, right? But I'm hanging out with pro basketball players. Do you think hanging out with pro basketball players is going to help me be a pro football player? No. If I want to be a pro football player, I need to be hanging out with pro football players. Likewise, if you want to be more proactive, if you want to be more inspired, if you want to be more motivated, you have to hang out with more motivated, inspired, and proactive people. To give you a realistic goal, let's say you want to be a straight A student, right? But you're hanging out with people who are straight D students, F students, C students, then obviously you're not going to get the all A's that you want. If you want to be an all A student, you have to hang out with all A students. Right? Makes sense. So, I could really talk about this topic for on and on, but I've been trying to make this video for really 3 hours right now. Trying to make this short 4-minute videos. It takes a long time. If I don't like it, I remake it over and over. But I hope this video helped, guys. I hope this tip helped, and have a great Navy day, guys.